Welcome. Peace, peace. Shalom, shalom. Join the Arukah Yah Ahmet community as we journey back to truth. If you are seeking a place to deepen your faith, connect with like-minded individuals, and experience the joy of living a set-apart life, we invite you to join us. Together, we can build a vibrant community dedicated to honoring the Most High. At Arukah Yah Ahmet, we are more than a community. We are a movement of individuals, men, women, and children that are committed to restoring the ancient paths of our Creator, the Most High Yah, or Yahweh, some say YHWH. Our mission is to live out our faith boldly, united in the teachings of the Torah, or some say the Old Testament, and the Messiah, who we know as Yahoshoowah. We stand apart from traditional religions, embracing a lifestyle that is dedicated to truth and righteousness. As we fellowship together, we strengthen our bonds and grow in understanding and innerstanding as we free ourselves from the doctrines of this world. Again, if you are seeking a place to deepen your faith, connect with like-minded individuals, and experience the joy of living a set-apart life, Arukah Yah Ahmet community is that place. Take time to go through the website if you're listening to this message on the website. If you are listening from the YouTube channel, go through the different playlists and the different videos to find out more information. Or you can always feel free to email us at the email that will be listed on this video as well as in the description. You can go to our community website and there's a form at the bottom of every page where you can contact us. So get involved, volunteer, donate, support, and stay connected. We look forward to continuing to grow and build with you as we all embark on this journey of faith.